Hello friends, hope you all are doing well. In this video we will work with Python list. The list is a most versatile data type available in Python, which can be written as a list of comma separated value between square brackets. For example, when you use these square brackets, it will create your empty list. You can also use you can create mixed values list. You can create integers list. And here is your string list. Lists are used to store multiple items in a single variable. It can have any number of items and they may be different types, for example float, integer, string. And Python lists are mutable. It means you can change the elements of a list. List items are ordered. It means that